Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always we are going to begin with a walk around the exterior of the car. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. Then of course I'm going to go around, take a seat inside the vehicle and just go a little bit more in depth on some of the interior features and major talking points. The vehicle itself is the 530D M Sport Saloon, and as you can see there it's presented in the Alpine white. Alongside that, we finished the vehicle off with the full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, alongside having the optional extra 20-inch alloy wheels fully refurbished in the gloss black to once again not only tie in with that full exterior styling pack, it also really enhances that very striking Alpine white body colour. So at the front of the vehicle you'll see it is a 2017 plate, so it does have the newer style BMW LED Angel Eye and LED projector headlamps. On the 2017 and newer 5 Series, we do get these very nice touches of the active Aero Stream kidney grills. So under certain engine conditions and in performance mode selects, the kidney grill centre sections will open up to of course help promote engine cooling alongside help aerodynamics for fuel economy. Down the side of the vehicle we've got the very nice gloss black air breathers along with our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. This 530D we have here for you also includes BMW's M Sport Plus pack. So sitting behind the 20-inch wheels you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, the sun protection glazing on the rear windows and a few other interior features which I'll point out as we go around. Moving on for our first glance at the interior, there you'll see we've got the very nice black Dakota leather with the oyster highlights. The front seats are the part electric movement, which I'll explain a little bit about. There you can see, so we can move the height and the backrests electrically, but to move them forwards and backwards there is the manual adjustment underneath. In terms of that other options for the Plus pack, there you can see that Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround, which is always a very thought after feature of any kind and in anything of the BMW range. And of course on the 5 Series we also get that tremendous ambient lighting, which again is all interchangeable to suit your colour wants and needs. Moving round to the rear seating area, where of course you'll find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest, and is an especially spacious place to be and a very comfortable one certainly. You also get a darkened M Sport headlining. You will of course also see all of the interior is just as nicely presented as the exterior on this vehicle we have for you. Again, going to show you off those alloy wheels again, and of course those lovely Mperformance decals. At the rear of the car we've got the high gloss rear boot spoiler, and we've also got the rear diffuser added to the rear of this car over those dual exit exhausts. Opening up the tailgate, which is of course the 5 Series is always known for having a very large boot space, and it is no different on this car. So there you can see it goes all the way back to the rear of the seats and is an exceptionally large boot space, but yet a still very fun yet practical car to drive. Moving round to the other side, again we'll show you just how nicely presented this Alpine white 530D really is. And as you can see, those two colours really do work very nicely together and is a very strong and striking looking vehicle. Moving on, I'm going to go ahead and take a seat inside the car because of course being the 5 Series M Sport there is yet more special features to show you on the interior. So now we're sat comfortably inside. Straight away you're greeted by the very nice digital cockpit that you'll find on the 5 Series, and we'll show you a couple of other functions and features of course. Straight away we've also got the newer M Sport multi-function steering wheel, which comes with the paddles for the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So in terms of your digital cockpit, first of all we'll go through the mileage, which as you can see there is currently just done over 45,000 miles. If I engage the Sport on the performance mode select, we get a nice glowing red background along with a huge digital speedometer. And of course that is the same for if we go down into the Eco Pro setting, we get a different display. And of course this is always nice to give you a different interior feel and of course a different interior experience. Moving over back to the professional wide navigation and media screen, which for the 5 Series is all touchscreen and is a very nice user-friendly system. However, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, don't fear, because an iDrive scroll wheel is still provided. We'll run through a couple of the major features and functions. Of course you get the nice big navigation screen, which again, being all touchscreen, is very nice and easy to use. We can simply tap to where we would like to set to destination to. Of course, you still have a keyboard should you find it easier to type in the destination. In terms of your multimedia, you get a wide array there. You've got DAB, music collection, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio, USB and AUX inputs. Communication wise, of course, as I've mentioned, you get Bluetooth audio, but you get your regular Bluetooth telephone as well. And in terms of this vehicle itself, we'll have a look at the vehicle service status and service requirements. As you can see, everything is highlighted in the green, and the vehicle itself does have full BMW service history as well. Down here you'll find all of the dual climate controls, so along with the front heated seat controls as well. And as I've already mentioned, we've got the lovely controls for the performance mode select, and of course that automatic gearbox, which I've already mentioned. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you find it useful and enjoyed it. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you find it useful, and hopefully it will aid in making an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Hopefully we'll see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.